Okay, dear students, in the last class, we saw how Tarun had failed in his terminal examinations and his father had got angry with him. Then to running, and he ran in the park for nearly an hour. When he was tired, he sat on a bench where he was greeted by Ramnarayan, who was an Olympic medal winner. And Tarun was excited in meeting Ramnarayan. Okay, now let's continue. Son, I have been watching you for the past 45 minutes, continued Ramnarayan, and I see a good future in you. Tarun could not help but blush. All you need to do is keep that passion burning in you and never give up. Have you joined some training school? The man inquired. Tarun's smile faded and he seemed distraught. A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed, said Tarun, feeling happy that he could joke even in these circumstances. But Ramnarayan seemed pretty serious. I will train you if you want, but I put forward a condition. What is your condition? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Children of your age are competing there. If you participate and win that race, I promise I will start training you, said Ramnarayan. That is no big deal. I can do it, can't I? Thought Tarun. I will, sir, he heard himself saying with complete conviction. Fine boy, it's my job to get you entry in the race. And remember, yours to win it. Tell me, what is your name? Asked Ramnarayan. Tarun, Tarun Kapoor, sir. Tarun, I will meet you here after 5 days to give you your participation card. All the best, said Ramnarayan and left. On the way home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. The next day brought a new ray of hope. Tarun got up early, had milk, and before his mother could finish her query on what he was up to, he ran out and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. He was very happy indeed. Tarun started practicing zealously. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. In the evening, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter race prescribed for the race. He wanted everything to be perfect. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfection in things he did, he thought. He also wanted someone to back him up, so he told everything to his mother. Tarun practiced vigorously for 5 years and then promptly met Ramnarayan to collect his participation card. He gazed at the piece of paper on which his name had been printed boldly. It meant so much to him. Hard, I must win this race, thought he. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Let's see, what does that mean? Son, I have been watching you for the past 45 minutes, continued Ramnarayan. So Ramnarayan was having a talk with Tarun, and he told that he was watching him for the last 45 minutes. And I see a good future in you. And I can see that you can become one of the fastest runner in the world. Tarun could not help but blush. Blush means smile. All you need is to keep that passion. Passion means an extreme interest or wish for doing something. So all you need is to keep that passion burning in you. So you should keep the passion burning, you should keep that passion always in you and never give up. Never give up. Never accept defeat. ഒരിക്കലും പരാജയം സ്വീകരിക്കരുത്. Have you joined some training school? Have you joined some training school so that you can be trained in running? The man inquired, asked, അന്വേഷിക്കുക. Tarun faded, മാഞ്ഞു പോവുക. And he seemed distraught. He seemed very worried and upset. He seemed sad. Training school is very expensive, sir. A training school is very expensive, very costly. ചിലവേറിയതാണ്. And I am unemployed. Unemployed means not having a job. തൊഴിലില്ലാത്തവൻ. Said Tarun, feeling happy that he could joke even in these circumstances. Feeling happy that he could joke tamasha, because he said that he was unemployed and so he could joke because he is only a boy. Even in these circumstances, conditions, sahajaryam. But Ramnarayan seemed pretty serious. But Ramnarayan was serious. I will train you if you want. I will train you. Train, പരിശീലിപ്പിക്കുക. I will train you if you want, but I put forward a condition. But I have a condition. Condition, vyavastha. What is your condition? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. So Tarun wanted to know what is the condition put forward by Ramnarayan to train him. അവനെ ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ രാംനാരായൺ മുന്നോട്ട് വെക്കുന്ന വ്യവസ്ഥ എന്താണ്? Tarun's voice showed curiosity, interest, താല്പര്യം, and anxiety, a feeling of worry, nervousness or unease, akamsha. So in the voice of Tarun, there was curiosity and anxiety. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. So on the Children's Day, in the Nehru Stadium, there is a race. Children of your age are competing there. Take part in the competition. മത്സരിക്കുക. If you participate and win the race, പങ്കെടുക്കുക. If you participate in the race and win it, I promise I will start training you. I promise that I will start training you, said Ramnarayan. That is no big deal. I can do it, can't I? That is no big deal, big thing. വലിയ കാര്യം. That is not a big thing. I can do it. I can participate and win the race, can't I? Thought Tarun. I will, sir. I will participate and win the race, said Tarun. He heard himself saying with complete conviction, a firm belief or opinion. So he heard himself saying with complete conviction, Vishwasadyode, he heard him telling that he will participate and win the race. Fine boy, it's my job to get you entry in the race. Fine, good boy, it's my job. So what is my job? To get you entry in the race. To make you participate in the race. And remember, yours is to win the race. So Ramnarayan's job is to get Tarun participate in the race, and Tarun's job is to win the race. Tell me, what is your name? Asked Ramnarayan. And Ramnarayan asked, okay, tell me, what is your name? Tarun Kapoor, sir. So what did he say? Tarun Kapoor, sir. Tarun, I will meet you here after 5 days. So Tarun, I will meet you here. I will meet you in the same park after 5 days to give you your participation card. And I will give you your participation card. The card for participating in the race. All the best, said Ramnarayan and left. On the way home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. So when he was walking back home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scold means cheeta parayuga. If his father had not scolded him, if his father had not got angry with him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity, chance, avasaram. He would not have got the chance to take part in the competition, which will help him to get trained by Ramnarayan. The next day brought a new ray of hope. So the next day brought a new ray of hope in the life of Tarun. Hope, pradiksha. Tarun got up early. He got up early in the morning, had milk, he drank milk, and before his mother could finish a query, question, anyeshanam, before his mother could ask him anything, what he was up to, he ran out. He ran outside the house and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. He ran out and he went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details, to see whether what Ramnarayan had said is correct or not. He was very happy indeed. He was very happy because what Ramnarayan had said was correct. Tarun started practicing zealously in an enthusiastic and eager way. Parisramatode. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning. So every day he would get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and run up to 10 miles. And he would run 10 miles. So we have seen earlier, 1 mile is nearly 1.6 kilometers. So he would run nearly 16 kilometers in the morning. In the evening, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. And in the evening, he would time himself a 1,000-meter distance. And in the evening, he would run the 1,000-meter, which is prescribed, needed, avishapaduga, by the competition. So for the competition, he has to run 1,000-meter race. So in the evening he would train himself for a 1,000-meter distance. He wanted everything to be perfect. He wanted everything to be perfect, everything to be correct. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfections in things he did. So it was for the first time in his life he was demanding such perfection. He was demanding such perfections in things he did. He wanted to do things very perfectly. It was the first time in his life. He also wanted someone to back him up. He wanted someone to support him. So what did he do? So he told everything to his mother. So he told everything to his mother about the race and about his meeting with Ramnarayan. Tarun practiced vigorously in a way that involves physical strength, effort or energy. വളരെ ഭാനത്തോടെ for 5 days. So he practiced vigorously for 5 days and then promptly exactly at the specified time, കൃത്യമായ സമയത്ത്, met Ramnarayan to collect his participation card. And he promptly, at the correct time, he met Ramnarayan to collect his participation card for the race. He gazed at the piece of paper. Look. He looked at the piece of paper on which his name had been printed boldly. It meant so much to him. So he looked at the piece of paper on which his name was printed, and that meant a lot to Tarun. However hard I must try, thought he, I must win the race. So what was Tarun's thinking? However hard he must try, he should win the race. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family. He wanted to tell his father that he was not a black sheep. What do you mean by black sheep? You have come across that word? An insult, abamanam, of the family, and that he was good at something at least, and that he was good at something. He was good in running. If he was not good in studying, he was good in running. Dear students, now let's look at some questions. Next question. What made Ramnarayan say that it was his job to get Tarun entry in the race? When Tarun announced his willingness to participate and win the race, when Tarun told that he is willing to participate and win the race, Ramnarayan told that it is his job to get him entry in the race. Tarun prepared for the race. So Tarun got up at 4 in the morning, then practiced zealously every day, running up to 10 miles. In the evening time, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. So how did he prepare? He got up at 4 o'clock in the morning and he ran for 10 miles, and in the evening he would time himself to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. Okay, next question. Why did Tarun really want to win the race? He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family. Now let's have a look at some additional questions. What was Ramnarayan's condition to train Tarun? So what was the condition put forward by Ramnarayan? He should win the race on Children's Day at Nehru Stadium. So Tarun should win the race on Children's Day at Nehru Stadium. Question. What was Tarun's reply when Ramnarayan asked whether he had joined any training school. Yes, what is the answer? A training school is very expensive and he is unemployed. Now you have an assignment. Tarun is very happy after his meeting with Ram Narayan. He writes his feeling in a diary. Prepare a likely diary entry. So Tarun is very happy because he is meeting Ram Narayan, who is a Olympic medal winner. So he writes his feelings in a diary. Prepare a likely diary entry. This is the assignment for you. Okay children, thank you and have a wonderful day.